Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy baked chicken. For this recipe, you'll need 6 small boneless, skinless chicken breast halves. I've taken 3 large breasts and filleted them in half, so I've got 6. You'll need 1 package of shake and bake for chicken, and it's extra crispy. You'll need 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. I love these things. You'll need some mayonnaise, and then you'll also need cooking spray because you're going to set it in on a baking sheet, and you'll need to spray it. I also use salt and pepper because even though the shake and bake has seasonings in it already, I usually find that the chicken just isn't seasoned enough for my family, so I always pre-season my chicken with salt and pepper, no matter what I do, pretty much. So, but these are the ingredients that you'll need for crispy baked chicken. Preheat your oven to 400. Spray your baking sheet with nonstick spray. Prepare our breading. You want to take 1 package of the shake and bake, coating in a plate. To that you want to add 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, and I'm just going to go ahead and kind of mix it up a little bit with my hands. And you want to flatten it out. So, first thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of salt and pepper on my chicken. I'm pretty much doing one at a time. Get just a little salt. A little pepper. Okay. Now I've transferred some of the mayonnaise into a little container, and I have a little mini spatula. So you want to take some of the mayonnaise, and I would not dip right out of the jar because then you'll contaminate your mayonnaise with chicken juice. And you want to spread your chicken with mayonnaise. Okay, we've got our mayonnaise on one side. Try and get it covered pretty well. On one side of the chicken breast. I'm going to put it directly into, so that I'm going to flip it over right on top of my other chicken. So I'm going to salt and pepper both sides. Just a little bit. And then cover the other side with mayonnaise. Now you might think that ooh, mayonnaise, that's gross, but it actually makes the chicken moist and tender and gives it a really nice flavor. Now you want to take your chicken piece and put it in the breadcrumb mixture. Salt a little bit. And see, I have a little strip here that has no mayonnaise on it, so I'm going to grab just a little bit of mayonnaise and make sure I get it on the areas where there aren't any, so that the coating will stick. I'm going to coat the other side. And I'm going to set it on my baking pan. Now we're going to bake these in the 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes or until they're done. They're fairly thin, so they should be done within 25 minutes, no problem.